If the fan or blower wheel drawing air through your humidifier is not working, here are the two most probable causes. A defective motor will prevent the humidifier fan or the furnace blower wheel from rotating. Try rotating the fan blade or blower wheel by hand. If the blade or wheel does not turn freely, then the motor has probably seized and will need to be replaced. You can also use a multimeter to test the motor for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the motor tests negative for continuity, it's defective and should be replaced with a new one. A faulty humidistat may also be responsible for the fan not working. Try turning the humidistat to the highest setting and listen for a click. If you do not hear a click, then the contacts in the humidistat are not closing and the part should be replaced. Both the motor and humidistat are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your humidifier.